Hello, Mr. Clark, Intermittent Food. Today I'll be explaining the extra credit assignment number 6, the color prime chart. First thing I did was I have a helper function called grid, which draws a grid. This right here draws the outside, so the big square. And then this one right here, it draws all the line vertically. And then this one draws it horizontally. And then this chunk right here, it just to move it back to the start. So it would draw like a square, and then draw the horizontal line, and then draw the vertical line, and then set back to that little corner. Next, I have my other helpful function called number. This draws all the numbers, which I put in range 1 to 401 because it does not include 0. And yeah, so I did this way, so it starts at 1 and ends at 400. Then I have my if is prime, it will change the color to red, or it change the color to whatever color I want, which is the P color, and then it will pen up, and then it will move forward a block, and then it will go pen down, and then it will change the counter to 1. The counter plus 1 is so we can make rows of 20. And then this is where it is. If counter is divisible by 20, then it will go to the next row. So after 20, it will go down, start a new row, and for every 20. And then I have the else, which is the same thing as above, but it just draws all the number, and then if the number is not prime, the color is black. So we just draw all the numbers black, 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 and then it will change it to hot pink when it's a prime, and then black, black, black. And then all of this is just to all of this is for the is prime function. And all of this down here is just to like make it so it fits on the graph. And this is actually what runs it. These two right here. And if I click run, you can see that it's working. It draws the big square first, and then it draws all of these horizontals line, and then the vertical line, and then it starts from 1. And then if it's a prime, it changes color, and if it's not prime, it stays on black. So not prime, and then prime, prime, so it changes color, and then not prime, prime, and then it goes on for 400 numbers, and that's it.